Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Good job.
Hanukkah, does she like beans?
Yeah.
Give her a minute to chew, okay? You want to give her more rice on the spoon?
What rice?
Here, you want to give her some more rice?
Yeah.
It's like Real House.
I know. Not too much.
Very good. Oh, she likes it. You girls are cute. Oh, thank you. Hey, carrot. Thank you.
Hey, Dora.
So cute.
I'm making it cooler for her.
Thank you, love. Oh, is that what Mommy does?
Here, go on it.
You are such a great big sister.